Southeast Asia, a region of immense diversity, rich history, and stunning landscapes. Back in December, I decided to visit every country in Southeast Asia. My experience was beyond imaginable, so I decided to make a series of videos to share my experience in that magical part of the world. Welcome to the first episode of my adventure. My first destination is a mysterious, stubborn country that just would not submit. Welcome to Vietnam.
Hello.
After a long flight, I finally arrived to Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. The first thing that amazed me was the amount of motorbikes in the streets. According to some estimates, there's over 5 million motorbikes in the city, many of them carrying an entire family. I made my way to the hotel, dropped off my bag, and started exploring the city. My first destination in Hanoi was visiting the infamous Trainstreet, a hidden, narrow, tiny street surrounded by houses packed closely together with a train track running right down the middle of it. Even though the train passes through a big part of the city, the Hanoi Trainstreet is only about 100 meters or 300 feet long, where it's the most narrow.
Once you go further, it's not as pretty as the beginning of the market or the beginning of the cafe.
The reason why it's so interesting for tourists is because the train passes literally 3 feet away from the houses. The safety line, marked with yellow color, is only about 8 inches away from the homes, and that's the line you should not cross when the train is coming. And trust me, I did not expect it to be so close. There were many tourists trying to get the perfect angle for their shot. It's like stepping into Instagram. Some of them will stand perilously close to the track, waiting for the train to pass just inches from their feet. In fact, some tourists actually died posing for a picture with the train in the background. That's why Trainstreet has been closed several times before it was just reopened recently. You'll hear people speaking many different languages, all united in their quest to capture the perfect train street moment. Everyone is here to experience something unique, to remember for years to come. The energy is absolutely infectious. Overall, visiting Trainstreet in Hanoi was such an exciting experience. It was such a great reminder of the power of social media to bring people together and showcase the beauty of the world around us. On the next episode, I'll take you to an ancient village where the cocks crow, the dogs bark, and the looms whir.